It is very interesting that I've been a researcher for 30 years now. In my country, I was part of the team that started research extension linkage, because formerly our research was researchers with very limited exposure to extension, but we forged that linkage along the line, and that brought about significant improvements in the way technologies were developed and moved. But along the line, I have realized through this project that working with extension, research extension and farmers is not all that we need. There is a lot more that we can do, a lot more other approaches that we need to bring in to ensure that the change that we want is realized. And this project has brought that realization that apart from researchers, extension and farmers, there are key value chain actors in the cropping system, in a particular commodity, in a particular problem that we want to solve, who need to be brought on board on daily basis so that their inputs, their perspectives, together with the farmers' extension and research, can give us the technologies, the innovation, and the adoption that we expect. The lessons in here is that we should know that agriculture is not static. The world is not static. Our problems are not static. And knowledge is not static. We should be able to learn more and be willing to improve on the systems that we have. One system might have given us certain results, but the bottom line is, have we been able to feed ourselves in Africa? The answer is no. So it means there is room for improvement. And how do we go about it? How do we move towards feeding ourselves, eliminating hunger? And I believe that we should be able to try new ways of doing things. We have linked up with extension in the past. We have not been able to feed our people. Now let us see the other linkages that we need to bring on board to ensure that we achieve our goal of food security, elimination of hunger in our countries and within the African continent.